the wrong coffee. Anna works in a small office. Every morning she takes the bus to work. Then she walks to a coffee shop near her office. The coffee shop is small, but it is always busy. Many people come in before work. Some people buy coffee. Some people buy tea. Some people buy bread. Anna likes this coffee shop. The coffee is good. The workers are kind. The shop has big windows and small round tables. On Monday morning, Anna is tired. She gets off the bus and walks slowly. "I need coffee," she says. She opens the door of the coffee shop. Ding! A small bell rings. The shop is very busy. A man in a gray suit is talking on his phone. A woman with a red bag is looking at bread. 2 students are sitting near the window. Anna walks to the counter. "Good morning," says the worker. "Good morning," Anna says. "1 hot coffee, please. No sugar." The worker writes something on a cup. "Name?" he asks. "Anna," she says. The worker smiles. "Okay, Anna, please wait." Anna looks at her watch. It is 8:35. "Oh no," she says. "I have a meeting at 9. She stands near the counter. Many cups are on the counter. The workers are very fast. "Hot coffee for Hannah," says one worker. A woman takes a cup. "Tea for David." A man takes a cup. "Hot coffee for Anna." Anna looks up quickly. "That is me," she says. She takes the cup from the counter. "Thank you," she says. Then she walks to a small table near the door. She sits down. She opens her bag and takes out her phone. Her boss sends a message. "Meeting at 9. Do not be late." Anna looks at the message. I know, she says quietly. She takes a drink of coffee. Then she stops. Her eyes become big. "This is not my coffee," she says. She looks at the cup. The coffee is very sweet. Very, very sweet. Anna does not like sweet coffee. She likes black coffee, no sugar, no milk. She takes another small drink. "No," she says. "This is very sweet." She looks at the cup again. The name on the cup says, Annie. Anna blinks. "Annie," she says. "I am Anna, not Annie." She looks around the coffee shop. "Who is Annie?" she asks quietly. Near the window, a woman is drinking coffee. She has a blue jacket and short brown hair. Anna looks at the woman's cup. The woman makes a strange face. She looks at her coffee. Then she looks at the cup. "Oh," the woman says. "This is not my coffee." Anna stands up. "Excuse me," Anna says. "Are you Annie?" The woman looks up. "Yes," she says. "Are you Anna?" "Yes," Anna says. They look at the 2 cups. Then they both laugh. "I think we have the wrong coffee," Annie says. Anna holds up her cup. "This coffee is very sweet," Anna says. Annie holds up her cup. "This coffee is very bitter," Annie says. Anna laughs again. "That is my coffee," Anna says. "No sugar." "This is my coffee," Annie says. "Lots of sugar." They give the cups back to each other, but then Anna stops. "Wait," she says. "I drank from your cup." Annie looks at her cup. "Oh," she says, "and I drank from your cup." They both become quiet. Then Annie smiles. "That is okay," she says. "We can ask for new coffee." Anna nods. "Yes, new coffee is better." They walk to the counter together. The worker looks at them. "Is there a problem?" he asks. Anna puts the cup on the counter. "I am Anna," she says. Annie puts her cup on the counter. "And I am Annie," she says. The worker looks at the cups. Then he covers his mouth. "Oh, no," he says. "Anna and Annie, I am sorry." "It is okay," Anna says. "The coffee names are almost the same," Annie says. The worker smiles. "I will make 2 new coffees," he says. "One black coffee for Anna, one very sweet coffee for Annie." "Very sweet," Annie says. "Please." "No sugar," Anna says. "Please." The worker makes the coffee again. Anna looks at her watch. It is 8:43. "Oh no," she says. Annie looks at her. "Are you late?" she asks. "I have a meeting at 9, Anna says. Annie points to the door. "Your office is near here?" "Yes," Anna says. "It is across the street." "That is okay," Annie says. "You have time." The worker gives them 2 new cups. "Black coffee for Anna," he says slowly. Anna takes the cup. "Thank you." "Very sweet coffee for Annie," he says. Annie takes the cup. "Thank you." The worker takes a marker. He writes big letters on Anna's cup. Anna. Then he writes big letters on Annie's cup. Annie. "Now the names are very clear," he says. Anna and Annie laugh. Anna takes a small drink. "Good," Anna says. "This is my coffee." Annie takes a drink. "Good," Annie says. "This is my coffee." Anna looks at her watch again. "I must go," she says. "Have a good meeting," Annie says. "Have a good day," Anna says. Anna walks quickly to the door. Ding! The small bell rings again. Anna walks across the street. She holds her coffee carefully. She does not spill it. She enters her office building at 8:52. Her boss is near the elevator. "Good morning, Anna," he says. "Good morning," Anna says. "You are early," he says. Anna smiles. "Yes," she says, "but my coffee had a small adventure." Her boss looks at the cup. "A coffee adventure?" he asks. Anna nods. "Yes, my coffee was lost. Then I found it." Her boss laughs. The elevator doors open. Anna walks inside. She looks at the name on her cup. Anna. She smiles. "Today," she says, "I am happy my name is not Annie." Did you enjoy this story? Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun stories.